Well, people throw around, they think if there's a Marvel movie, anybody who's in that is a superhero.
Yeah?
And I don't think that's true.
Really? What do you mean?
Well, think about, the Hulk. I mean, how is the Hulk a superhero? I mean, basically, they say, a superhero needs to have a story. It needs to have a tragedy. They need to be motivated to overcome. And so you got Bruce Banner, right? He's just a regular guy. He's working, and he's an educated person, majored in science, probably has rich parents, whatever. And he's working in the lab. He's probably pulling down 60, 70K a year. His car's paid off. And then what happens? Boom! Gamma radiation bomb or something. And then now, when he's got to change a tire, oh, I hurt my finger. I was changing a tire. It gets me so mad. He turns into the Hulk. He's all green, and you got a temper problem. That's not a superhero, you guys. I mean, Captain America can kind of try to tame him as much as he wants, but the Hulk is just like a guy on steroids. And so the Hulk's not a superhero. Surprisingly, I think I could make a case that Superman's not a superhero.
Really? I thought Superman was like the main superhero guy.
Oh yeah, but if a superhero is somebody who has a secret identity and has a normal life and then puts on a costume and a mask and then fights crime, well, when you think about it, superheroes, Superman's actual clothes, he actually is Superman. He pretends to be Clark Kent. His real name is Kal-El. And he pretends to be a nerd. He pretends to like Lois Lane. I mean, talk about not being very sensible. Lois Lane's like, oh, no thanks, Clark. I'm too good for you. I'm too hot to go out with a nerdy guy like you. And then, oh wow, here comes Superman. I wish he was my boyfriend. Nah. But so Superman pretends to be, and he's just accidentally here. His powers are just because the yellow sun makes a person from a different part of the universe have X-ray vision for some reason. But anyway, so Superman, I don't know, maybe Superman's a superhero, I don't know. But Batman totally is not a superhero.
Batman's not one either?
No. Batman is he's motivated out of just hate. He's not saving people because he loves people. He don't care about nobody. He's just so mad at the pearl thief who killed his parents. They were coming out of the theater there and, oh, I'm just a little guy. Went to the movies with my parents. Saw Zorro. Oh, that was great. I wish I could wear a mask and a cape like Zorro. And then what happens? Hey, you two, and that little kid. Why are you walking down a scary, what's it called? It's not a hallway, alley. And he's like, give me your pearls, lady. And the dad's all, hey, leave her alone. You're dead. And so Bruce Wayne goes, oh, wow. Well, I could call the cops, or 20 years from now, after working out real hard and learning karate, I can dress up and then beat up people, for like stealing. And vengeance will be mine. I'm not the hero Gotham needs, but I'm the hero Gotham wants. Wait, or the other way around. So he's, I don't know. I'm done with Batman. It's too creepy. Who else? Spider-Man? Yeah, Spider-Man's a superhero. Although I gotta say, Spider-Man turning into a superhero, everything got better for Peter Parker. You know, one day he's all skinny and nobody likes him. He's bullied, and then he gets bitten by a spider. And what? Next day, oh, look at this! I don't even need my glasses. Nah. And he's all buff. He didn't have to work out. Girl across it, Mary Jane, suddenly likes him. I don't know. And you know, it's just up and up. And, you know, his trajectory. So yeah, why wouldn't he be a superhero? Becomes an Avenger even before he graduates from high school. I mean, come on, Superman.